Hello everyone, and welcome back to Cookinglandia. Today we are going to prepare some delicious lemon bars, perfect for those who love citrus desserts full of flavor. The best thing about this recipe is that it is super easy to make, and I promise that the result will be so good that you will want to make again and again. But before we start, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out our delicious recipes. And don't forget to leave a like if you love desserts as much as we do. First of all, let's make a brief summary of this recipe. Our lemon bars have an easy difficulty. Their preparation time is about 20 minutes. Their cooking time is approximately 25 minutes. And they must be allowed to cool for 15 minutes. Now, let's look at the utensils we will need. Don't worry about writing them down, we've included them in the description of this video along with the necessary ingredients. A square or rectangular mold of approximately 20 by 20 centimeters or 9 by 9 inches. A large bowl, an electric or manual mixer, and a spatula. Now, let's look at the necessary ingredients. Remember that we left them in the description. For the base, we will use a cup of wheat flour, a quarter cup of powdered sugar, a pinch of salt, and half a cup of cold butter cut into small cubes. While for the lemon filling, we will need 3 large eggs, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/3 cup of fresh lemon juice, the zest of 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons of wheat flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and icing sugar to sprinkle. Okay, now let's prepare our recipe. First, we are going to prepare the crunchy base of our lemon bars. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees centigrade or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, mix the flour, icing sugar, and a pinch of salt. Then, we add the cold butter. We are going to work the mixture with our hands or fork until we obtain a texture of thick crumbs. Now, we press this mixture into the bottom of our square or rectangular mold, which we have already lightly greased. Bake the base for 15 to 20 minutes until lightly golden. Meanwhile, let's prepare the lemon filling. In a large bowl, beat the eggs with the granulated sugar until well combined. We add the fresh lemon juice and zest. This is what will give it that irresistible citrus touch. Finally, we add the flour and baking powder. We mix everything until there are no lumps. And our filling is prepared. With the base already baked, carefully pour the lemon filling over it while it is still hot. Bake again for another 10 to 15 minutes, or until the filling is firm and lightly browned at the edges. See how easy this is? Now, we just have to wait for it to cool for the final touch. Once cool, sprinkle generously with icing sugar. Now, we cut them into squares or rectangles, and they are ready to enjoy. Look how pretty they turned out. The crunchy base, the creamy filling, and that touch of icing sugar. Delicious. the perfect balance between sweet and sour. These lemon bars are perfect for any occasion, whether it's a get-together with friends or a craving for something fresh and delicious. At Cookinglandia, we are always excited to share unique and delicious recipes with you. Thanks for joining us. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the bell so you don't miss any of our recipes. See you in the next video. See you soon. And for more detailed articles and recipes, visit our website at cookinglandia.com.